Hey there! Are you a designer looking for a quick way to get Figma up and running on your machine for free? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the desktop app in just a few minutes so you can start crafting pixel-perfect layouts and UI kits. Let's get to it! Alright, to kick things off, head over to our website, find the Figma desktop installer, and download it. The setup file will handle all the heavy lifting, pre-configuring everything for you in the background. Okay, the installation is fully complete. Let's fire it up and check out the layout, and then we'll jump straight into creating a brand new design file to see how it performs. Let's spin up a brand new design file and take a quick tour of the main features. We'll check out the toolbar, frames, and see how the core layout tools feel in action. As you can see, everything runs absolutely fine and is ready for your layouts. Head over to our website to grab your download link, and thank you so much for watching.